Hello friends, I am Gaurav Tripathi. In this particular lecture, we understand division and span elements in detail. The division element is used to group various other HTML tags. This element helps us in organizing the web page into different sections. If any common rule or style needs to be added to a particular section, the same can be applied to the corresponding division. The rule or style gets applied to all the contents of the division thereby. It is defined using div tag. Let us understand this with an example. Let's open our verses code and create a file named index.html. Now, in this file, we will see we write something inside a div using the paragraph tag and then run the code. Then we click on Live Server. We can observe that the division element is a block level element and hence a new line is automatically added after the division ends. I think you understand division tag, then we understand span tag. Similar to the division element, the span element is also used to group various other HTML tags to apply some common styles. It is defined by using span tag. The span element is by default inline in nature, and hence no new line is added after the span ends. This tag is preferred only when we cannot use any other semantic tags. Let's open our verses code and create a file named index.html. Now, in this file, we will see how the span tag works. We click Live Server, and we can observe that no new line is added after the span ends since the span element is an inline level element by default.